Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chrissy B here. While you're here in the beginning, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, turn on notifications, come hang out with your girl again. So today we are doing a little eye look with the Morphe X MannyMua palette. So we used a few of the shadow shades, and then we also used one of the highlighter shades. So let's jump right into this look. Let's see how we feel about this palette.
It's not a threat, it's a warning. Be careful with me. Yeah, my heart is like a package with a fragile label on it. Boy, be careful, careful.
Alright, now that I got my eyelids primed, let's go in with the Morphe MannyMua collaboration. This, of course, is sold in Morphe stores and at Ulta. I picked mine up at Ulta because there's only one Morphe location on Long Island where I am, and it's not that close. There is a Sephora, an Ulta that I can like literally walk to. Sephora as well. They're like right across from each other. So let's test this baby out. Let's see if she's good on dark skin. This is what she's looking like. I'm so happy that there's a mirror in here. I actually forgot that there was a mirror in here, and like most Morphe palettes don't have mirrors, because I was using my iPad as a mirror. So I want to just do something really simple because I am going out today. I'm going to see the tree for the first time in New York City, and I just want to be like simple, low-key. I don't even know what the weather is outside, so I don't want to do too much. Alright, so I have the Beauties base down on the lids, and I'm just gonna go and re-smooth that before I start popping on color. So I'm gonna go in with this color Fire Witch first. Fire Witch is like this corally kind of a color, I would call it. There's a lot of fallout. Like, I don't really even care today because I did complexion first. I was gonna say I usually don't even care about fallout too much, but that was a lot. I'm using a Sigma E40 brush to lay this there first. I don't know how I feel yet. That's why I haven't really said much. Okay, this side is like definitely better with the color going on. Let's get Spellbound. So I put Spellbound on the lid and just blending up lightly just to give like a nice soft, smoky, like daytime smoky kind of a look. I'm going to take what I hope is a clean brush and just work that right there. For a simple, natural I'm liking that. So Spellbound and Fire Witch. Let's do the other side. Okay, then I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna take Leo. So I just tried to do a little bit of shimmer in the front just to brighten it up a little bit and give it like a little something something. You don't see it that well, but it's okay. I'm not gonna stress it. I'm gonna take some brown liner. I just went underneath the eye and in the waterline. I think this brown is like such a beautiful color, and it goes so well with the shadow, so that is good. I'm going to take a little bit of Gamenta. I don't even know if that's how you say that. It probably isn't, but it's like almost burgundy shade kind of. I don't know. Alright, let's finish off the face. Let's use Apollo, the more golden highlighter. Take it on a Real Techniques. Let's do a little mascara and then pop some lashes on. Or maybe I'll just do mascara. I've been in like a mascara only kind of mood lately, like, and I have a lash line, like it's so crazy. So for the bottom lashes, I'm gonna hit it with Clinique. Bottom lash mascara. That's all it's called. Okay. I think she's good. I'm gonna throw on a little bit of a lippy. Okay, so I am all done. This is the look. I'm not going to put on lashes. I'm going to be walking around New York City, so I'm like, you know what? Not in a lash mood, really. So, this is it. I have so many Morphe palettes. I feel like I have almost every palette that they've put out. I really love Morphe palettes. I think I use Morphe and Juvia's Place probably the most of any brands. And like, if you know me, you know my eyeshadow palette collection is ridiculous. Like, it is over 300 palettes in it. So Morphe is definitely one of my favorites, and I have tried a lot. So with that being said, owning so many Morphe palettes and really loving Morphe, do I love this palette? No. Do I think that this palette is like a necessity to a collection? No. I think maybe if you're starting out and you don't really do like a whole lot of glam and you just like simple and natural, maybe this is a good palette. But I didn't even like love like the color payoff and stuff, which is weird because Like, I don't have a single Morphe palette that's let me down, but I just felt like even color payoff, I just keep opening this thing up in front of the camera, sorry. I just feel like even the color payoff wasn't there. Like, I had to, after I finished the look and I was taking pictures for a thumbnail, I was like, girl, where's the eyeshadow at? And I had to go back and add more eyeshadow. So once I blended a little bit, and you guys saw, like, I didn't do a whole lot of eye work. Like, I threw on a color in the crease, blended, threw on a lid color, blended them together. Like, I didn't do a whole lot of blending, but they just blended away, like totally away. So I do actually really like the look, but I mean, I had to go back and add color. And excuse me, I feel like every time I start talking, like a frog is just like, hey sis. But I had to go back and add color and reblend and all of that, and like, who wants that? Normally I just throw on more like Morphe shades and they're good. Like, I've never really had this issue with their colors. Even the color scheme is not overwhelming. I actually don't really watch Manny. I might have watched like a quarter of one of his videos, but I did see somebody post that the colors are almost identical to his collaboration with Makeup Geek. So clearly he has his vibe and he sticks to it, because they did put the palettes side by side and they do look pretty similar. So if you are like a very like neutral naturals kind of a person, then I guess the color scheme does work for you. But I think because of me being a deeper skin tone, like the 3 colors that I used are cute, and I would use like 3 of the shimmer shades, but then the rest I probably wouldn't do anything with. So I don't know, it's just not my favorite. It's definitely not my favorite, and it's sad. I wanted to love it. I wanted it to be like a go-to everyday palette, but unfortunately for me, it's just not that. So thank you guys for hanging out. If you have this palette, if you want to try this palette, definitely comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are, just seeing me use the palette briefly, and that's it. So make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, that you subscribe, that you hit the bell, you get notifications, and you come hang out with your girl again. As always, you guys are amazing. Mwah.